Mr. Seft, I want to learn about some question in national examination. Could you help me with some question, please?
Okay, Tina. We start to learn. Are you ready? Listen to text.
Okay, you can read now, Mr. Seft.
Text 1. Notice. This is a copyrighted performance. No photographs or videotaping are allowed.
What question?
What does the notice mean? A. The audience is not allowed to see the performance. B. The audience is allowed to record the performance freely. C. The performance is not having an exclusive right. D. The audience is prohibited to record the performance.
D. The audience is prohibited to record the performance.
Good. Continue text 2. Dear L, congratulations. I am so happy you finally got the promotion you have been dreaming of. I wish you all the best in your new role as marketing representative. Your beloved friend, Tunny. Question number 2. According to the text, we know that AL receives a job that she doesn't desire. B. Tunny is not happy if L gets the promotion. C. L gets a new position on her job. D. L does not like her previous position.
The answer is C.
Record your own voice.
A. Prize. B. Advertising.
What's next, Mr. Seft?
B. Patient. I am not finished. C. Higher question. D. Favorite.
The answer is higher position.
Correct. Now, text 3. Dear Jenny, I want to apologize about what I said earlier. I did not mean to hurt your feeling. What I said was awful and insensitive, and I'm really sorry for that. I hope we can still be best friend. Your friend, Delilah. Question 4. What is the letter about? A. Condolence letter.
So sad.
B. Invitation letter. C. Apology letter. D. Business letter.
I think the answer is apology letter.
Great. Question 5. Why does Delilah apologize? A. She is hurt. B. She broke her arm.
We continue outside. Oh, we continue our lesson, Mr. Seft.
Oh. C. She wants to be Jenny's friend. D. She said awful things to Jenny.
She said awful things to Jenny.
Good answer. Now, listen for text 4. Dear Java Mix's owner, welcome to Jakarta Plaza and congratulations on your new store. We are your next door neighbor, the Dandelion Restaurant. We have a monthly meeting that includes all the business owners in Jakarta Plaza to discuss business concerns. With this letter, we would like to invite you as well in our next meeting, Tuesday, at 7 p.m. I hope that Java Mix's owner can join us. Sincerely, Maranta, Dandelion Restaurant's manager. Question number 6. What is the letter about? A. Describing Java Mix owner. B. Inviting Maranta to a monthly meeting. C. Promoting Dandelion Restaurant. D. Welcoming Java Mix.
Too difficult. But it is welcoming Java Mix, right?
Right. Next to the question number 7. To discuss business concern. The concern word is closest in meaning to A. Issues. B. Promotion. C. Statements. D. Confession.
That is a, Mr. Seft. Issues.
You are clever. Now listen for text 5. Book signing and sharing session Divergent Trilogy by Veronica Roth Matraman Bookstore. Buy the Divergent Trilogy before November 1st, 2015 in Matraman Bookstore and get free ticket for this event. Listen question number 8. What should we do to get into the event? A. Pay for entry. B. Contact Veronica. C. Buy Veronica's trilogy book. D. Visit Matraman Bookstore.
The answer is buy Veronica's trilogy book, right?
Yeah. Good answer. Listen to question number 9. When will the event be held? A. November 27th, 2015. B. November 21st, 2015. C. November 7th, 2015. D. November 1st, 2015.
That is on November 27th, 2015.
Well done. The last question. Number 10. By the Divergent Trilogy. The trilogy word means A. Having three sides. B. A group of three related things. C. A thing shaped like a triangle. D. Speaking three language fluently.
The answer is B. A group of three related things.
Wonderful. Make sure you learn hard, Tina.
Certainly, Mr. Seft.